Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. If you are drinking vodka for the first time, or looking for the best combination, then this video is for you. Today I will show you the 5 most popular ways to drink vodka. I hope you will like these combinations. I am using Blue Sting, Red Bull, Sprite, Tonic water, and Fanta. Let's see how much to pour all these 5 chasers. I will use 5 Colin glasses. If you like these combinations, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Let's fill the glasses with fresh ice cubes. I always prefer to use fresh ice cubes, as fresh ice cubes melt slowly, and increases the life of the drink. I will squeeze and drop lemon into all 5 glasses. Lemon helps to cut the harshness of the alcohol, and also balance the sweetness of the drink. I will pour 1 ounce of vodka into each of these glasses. And suggest you not to pour more, as more alcohol can make the drink bitter. I am using Smirnoff vodka, but you can use any vodka of your choice. You will be surprised to know that vodka is never matured like other spirits, and can be produced from any fermentable materials like corn, potatoes, and even from molasses. Sprite is a lemon-lime flavored soft drink, and very popular among vodka lovers. As the Sprite is very sweet, so I will top up the glass leaving little space. This is the most lethal combination, and also the most popular among party lovers. The Red Bull contains a significant amount of caffeine, so I will suggest you not to drink more than 2 glasses in a day, as it is very sweet and tangy, so I will top up the glass leaving a little space. The Blue Sting is a sweet and refreshing energy drink with fruity flavor. This is one of the most beautiful combinations, and also gaining popularity among party lovers. Sting also contains caffeine, so don't drink this too much in a day. I hope you are enjoying this video. Next is tonic water. Tonic water is a sweet and citrusy drink, with a slight bitterness due to quinine. You will be surprised to know that the tonic water was invented in India in the early 19th century, when gin was mixed with tonic water to serve the British officials to prevent malaria. This combination is also very popular among vodka lovers, as it gives a beautiful balanced taste on the palate. The last combination is with the citrusy Orange Fanta. This combination is generally very popular among beginners, who likes orange-flavored drink. Fanta is also very sweet, so I will leave little space for the next drink. Now I will top up all the glasses with chilled soda, except the second last one, which I have already topped up with the tonic water. I am doing this because these chasers are too sweet to drink. But the addition of a little soda or water can turn these drinks into a wonderful one. Now I will garnish these drinks with a fresh lemon slice. This is your most popular Vodka and Sprite. Most notorious Vodka and Red Bull. Your favorite Vodka and Blue Sting. The evergreen Vodka and Tonic. And the beginner's choice, the Vodka and Fanta. I will be happy if you make these combinations in your next party, and share your experience with me. Thanks for watching, Spice Trail. Please don't forget to share with your family and friends. See you soon with exciting recipes like this. Till then, keep watching.